A cold and frosty start to the day, but plenty of sunshine. The outlook is wetter, windier and turning milder. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Wednesday, 6th of December.
Fresh and clean and hygienic as ever.
And, you know, it's cold and frosty. That's the kind of weather that we want to feel festive, but it's all changing. It turns milder, wetter and windier. Good morning to you. Yes, it is cold and frosty this morning. You need to scrape the windscreen first thing as temperatures have fallen widely below freezing. Some patchy fog around as well. And then all change later. It is set to turn wetter and windier. This is the latest satellite and radar. Barely a cloud in the sky for Scotland, England and Wales, but already clouding over through North. Good morning to you. Wow, it looked amazing there in Verbier. Even Andy texted me saying, I'm in Verbier, I can't believe it. And this is where he is. And at the moment, there is more snowfall to come here. That beautiful winter wonderland scene continues there. For us in the UK, it is a very different story. It may be cold, frosty and icy to start this morning with gorgeous sunshine, but then it turns wet and windy from the west. A big change in the next 24 hours. So this is the scene greeting us this morning. The satellite and radar shows barely a cloud in the sky for Scotland, England and Wales, but already clouding over through Northern Ireland. And here we have some rain. And it makes a huge difference to our temperatures. -5s through eastern areas, +5s in the west. So cold, frosty and sunny. You'll need to scrape those windscreens first thing across much of England, Wales and Scotland. And we stick with that beautiful winter sunshine as we head through the day. Temperatures in the east, 2 or 3 degrees. Some places may struggle to rise above freezing, but in the west it clouds over. And then here comes the rain and the change to milder conditions with those temperatures slowly up to 11 degrees. This whole band of rain moves right across the country this evening and overnight tonight. And as it does, it brings with it these climbing temperatures. So let's take a look at our 7-day outlook. First of all, across the north of the UK. So Scott. Good morning. Well, he was a ray of sunshine and actually what is set to be a sunny day for many of us. Initially, it is cold, it is frosty, some fog around, then it turns wet and windy from the west. So the latest satellite and radar is clear for much of England, Wales and Scotland, and it means it is sub-zero and icy, but beautiful sunshine greets us. You'll need to allow an extra few minutes to scrape the windscreens first thing this morning. Any mist and fog soon clears away, but then through the day it clouds over from the west. Then rain arrives, and this heralds a really big change to our weather in the next day. So today we stick with the sunshine for central and eastern areas of England and much of Scotland. It's cold, 4 or 5, but it turns milder, wetter and windier from the west, and it's the mild that wins out as we head through the next few days and lasts into next week as well. So that's the last of our cold, frosty and sunny, because tonight it turns wet and windy and it is mild. Tonight it is frost-free to start. So tomorrow it starts off cloudy, it starts off wet and it starts off windy, and this mild, wet and windy theme continues well into the weekend. Good morning to you. Today is the last of the cold, frosty weather because wet and windy is set to win out as we head through the next few days. The latest satellite and radar picks out clear skies for much of Scotland, England and Wales, where temperatures are sub-zero, but at least we're greeted by beautiful sunshine. From the west, though, clouding over through the day as wet weather moves in and it turns milder, so 11 in the west, but just 3 or 4 in the east.